Why did they use that categorical bucket, right? Some people in the chat are mentioning categories. Well, you should question the category, right? Why is it a category? Why is it only 3 instead of 10 categories? I could think of 6 other categories. What happens when you bring in those categories? All critical questions, all part of the data science process, right? So this caught my eye, again, the self-employed. The other one that caught my eye too was up here about marital status, right? You're always hearing about these other studies about how married people are happier. Married people tend to live longer than single people, right? Well, are they more or less financially responsible? You could get that from this answer. These would be valuable answers to a bank, right? If you're applying to a financial institution, you could say, yeah, I found this FINRA study, but they didn't go deep enough for me. I wanted to break it out. Here's how I broke it out by married, single, or divorced, right? Or maybe you have an interest in people who are widowed, right? What happens to people who are widowed? Maybe they end up in a better financial situation or a worse financial situation. So again, these are the things that I'm encouraging you to think about, because this is the work of a data scientist. This is what's expected of us. This is your opportunity for that creativity, for that application of everything that you've read. And as I said earlier, no one's going to be coming to you with ideas. You're expected to come up with the ideas. And this is where that begins. Because now you can think about the work we just did, right?